5 minutes of listening.
Good evening, sir. Welcome to Roman Restaurant. How may I help you today?
Well, I want to meet your manager, please.
Sir, what would you like to meet our manager for?
I have a plan to propose. I want to discuss it with him.
Yes, sir. Please wait a moment.
Okay. Good morning, sir. I'm Terry, manager of the Roman Restaurant. Glad to meet you. Glad to meet you too. I'm John. I heard the staff say you want to see me, right? That's right. I want to plan a proposal. Follow me to my office to discuss, sir. Okay. Please have a seat, sir. Okay. Can I get you something to drink? A cup of tea, please. Please wait a minute. Here are your tea and some cookies. Thanks. All right, so you want to propose to your girlfriend at our restaurant. Right, I want to propose to her here. And I want you, as well as other staff, to be able to help me out. Sure, it's my pleasure. Thank you in advance. No problem, sir. So, when will you want it to occur? This Friday, the 24th at 7 o'clock. Okay, I got it. I want everything to be perfect and unexpected. I understand. First, we will discuss the food. Okay. Tell me what she likes to eat. Well, she likes the poached shrimp cocktail, foie gras, lobster, and sweetbreads. She is indeed a gourmet. Yeah. Also, I want Chef Benjamin Hartson to cook them. Sure, sir. Let Chef Benjamin Hartson take food to a whole new level. Great. So what about wine? Cabernet Sauvignon. A great choice. And how do you want us to decorate the space? There must be candles and flowers for sure. Yeah. She loves red roses placed in an informal vase. Okay, and I have an idea. Yes, tell me. You can consider placing a round mirror under the vase and sprinkling petals around it. Perfect. That's a really cool idea. And I want to decorate with pictures of me and my girlfriend. Wow, you're so romantic. Well, I'll send a list of songs that she likes. What do you think if we hire a symphony orchestra? Hey, nice idea. This will make it even more romantic. So I'll add to the list the symphony orchestra. Also, prepare me a heart-shaped cake. Is this cake going to be served as dessert? Yes, and a diamond ring will be hidden inside that cake. Surely she will be very surprised. I want everything to be perfect. She deserves all the best in the world. You love her so much, right? Yeah, she is the love of my life. Great. Surely that day will be her happiest night. I am really looking forward to that night. Morning, Terry. Morning, sir. Is everything okay? Not quite, sir. What's up? Today 2 employees asked for sick leave, so we are understaffed. Oh my God. But don't worry, we'll do our best to keep up with the schedule. I hope so.
Manager, I contacted the orchestra, but they said they couldn't come because one member of the orchestra had an accident.
Oh no, what must we do now? Calm down, sir. I'll think of a workaround. Linda, go find another orchestra. Then contact them immediately.
Okay, I got it. I contacted them. They said they will be there at 5 p.m. today to rehearse.
Great, so the symphony orchestra problem was solved. Yeah, good.
5 minutes of vocabulary. Manager. Please repeat after me. Manager. Manager. A person who is in charge of a group of people or a business.
Who's the manager?
I am.
Your manager here? Needs a manager.
Because I am your new manager.
Well, I want to meet your manager, please.
Sir, what would you like to meet our manager for?
Propose. Please repeat after me. Propose. Propose. To ask someone to marry you.
You didn't propose to me.
I helped Paul propose to his girlfriend. They're engaged.
He was supposed to propose to his girlfriend.
I have a plan to propose. I want to discuss it with him. All right, so you want to propose to your girlfriend at our restaurant.
Romantic. Please repeat after me. Romantic. Romantic. Full of love and excitement.
I think it's romantic.
It's not romantic, Joe.
Romantic situation is such a mess.
Now remember, it has to be lush and romantic.
This scene is so beautiful and romantic.
Deserve. Please repeat after me. Deserve. Deserve. To be worthy of something.
We deserve whatever we say we deserve.
You deserve more than I could possibly ever give you.
You deserve to be with someone who appreciates you, you know?
I want everything to be perfect. She deserves all the best in the world.
Schedule. Please repeat after me. Schedule. Schedule. A plan of things that will happen.
5 minutes ahead of schedule. Right on schedule.
Oh, no, shoot, his schedule changed.
Oh, I didn't know we had a delivery scheduled for today.
But don't worry, we'll do our best to keep up with the schedule.
Accident. Please repeat after me. Accident. Accident. Something bad that happens by mistake, which often causes harm to people or things.
She had an accident.
Accident? What kind of an accident?
What happened to Milagro was an accident.
I believe what happened was an accident.
But they said they couldn't come because one member of the orchestra had an accident.
7 minutes of speaking.
Excuse me, can I talk to you for a minute? Okay, what's wrong? Mr. John ordered the cake in the shape of a heart. But my kitchen assistant made it into a circle. Oh God, why are you so careless? We don't have much time left. I know, I'm so sorry. How long will it take to make another cake? Probably an hour and a half. Okay, so hurry up and make a new cake. Yes. And remember the heart-shaped cake. I remember. Oh, right, the ring. Sir? Yes? You haven't given me the ring yet. Oh my God, I forgot the ring at home. So you have to go back home to get it. I'll be right back. Tell the chef to stop making the cake and wait for me. Sure, be careful driving. Okay, how's everything? Everything seems to have been resolved. Great, now I will go pick her up. Get everyone ready, okay? Of course, sir.
John, you look so tense.
Nothing. I'm just a little hungry.
It's been a long time since the last time we ate here. I love eating foie gras here.
I know. That's why I brought you here today.
You are great. Oh, why did the restaurant spread so many flowers in the aisle today?
Let's get in.
Honey, are these all our pictures? Oh my gosh, here's a photo we took in India. This is when we celebrated our 1-year anniversary. And here's a photo of us climbing together for the first time. Unbelievable! Did you prepare all of this?
Do you like it?
Of course, I am very surprised. This scene is so beautiful and romantic.
Honey, did you enjoy your meal?
Yes, I really enjoyed it. Everything was my favorite.
Would you like to finish your evening with some dessert?
Yes, that sounds great. Oh no!
Go help him.
I am deeply sorry, sir. John, I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
Lucy, what are you doing?
I want to stay by your side, support you, and share with you every moment of our life. John, will you marry me? John? John?
I'm sorry. I'm so emotional right now. I agree. I really want to marry you. I love you so much, Lucy. Congratulations on your wedding. I'm so glad everyone is here today.
Thanks for inviting us. Your wedding is absolutely beautiful. Thanks. Anyway, thanks to everyone. The proposal that day was memorable.
If it weren't for the cake that was poured over me, how would I have been proposed to by her? Yeah, right.
Let's raise a glass together.
Cheer! And that's the story of the proposal of me and your mother.
That's great, Daddy. Your love is admirable.
Now go to sleep.
Yes, Daddy.
Good night, sweetie.
Good night. I love you.
Love you too.
Three minutes of reviewing. Question 1. What shape did Mr. John order the cake in? A. Circle. B. Heart. C. Star. The correct answer is B. Question 2. What did John forget at home? A. The ring. B. The cake. C. The flowers. The correct answer is A. Question 3. Which photo did Lucy mention when talking about their memories? A. Their wedding day. B. Their first date. C. Their trip to India. The correct answer is C. Question 4. What dish does Lucy love to eat at the restaurant? A. Pasta. B. Foie gras. C. Steak. The correct answer is B. Question 5. Who proposed marriage in the conversation? A. Lucy. B. John. C. Terry. The correct answer is A. Question 6. Who does John tell the proposal story to at the end of the conversation? A. His friend. B. His mother. C. His daughter Dory. The correct answer is C.
Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time practicing English. Please comment what you want to practice in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English practice videos. Goodbye for now.